Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Brave only supports 64-bit AMD Intel architectures. To install the stable version, run the correct set of commands for your distribution. Run the following command. Once the Brave browser is installed, search for the Brave in your system search bar by typing Brave. If you have the error or if the Brave browser is not installed, you can install it by using the snap method. Use the following command. Once the installation is complete, type the Brave into your system search bar and open it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.